I hear something in the sky. Clouds, dirts, and the moons and the suns to bring us together for this very special moment.
You crazy?
It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! Young nails! Young nails! Oh my God! July sale is here! You're gonna die at the deals that we've got, I'm telling you. Plus, we've got crazy product launches. Introducing new Young Nails Pedicure System! Finally, you've been asking, we have delivered. Young Nails new pedicure system launching. This system is so insane. It's a 5-in-1 pre-packed system. You can buy it individually or you can buy it in a 50-pack. Either way, this is the best pedicure system you're ever going to see and use. I am telling you, and it's in a beautiful aloe scent. Smells beautiful, super easy to use, and it comes packed in these beautiful packets for your customers to see. Each pack is a single service. It's beautiful. And here's the thing, this pedicure system launches at 20% off. Do not miss out on the YN pedicure system. In addition to the awesome pedicure system is the Pedi Essential Kit. This is gonna contain a file, a buffer, a pumice stone, and an orange wood stick. You can buy it individually or in a 200 pack. In addition to that, we've got some sick buy one, get one frees. Starting with Protein Bond, buy one, get one free. Yes, we did. This is not gonna happen for the rest of the year, so take advantage of this BOGO. And also, stain-resistant top coat, buy one, get one free. You don't even know what else is coming.
I don't know.
Other new product launches. We've also got the Summer Pixies. Gorgeous little pixie crystals that you can take them and use them and summer colors, gorge. Also, new product launch, Summer Chromes. Oh my God, these are beautiful. Also, new product launch, our small rainbow dampened dish. Mwah, mwah, mwah. It's so cute and gorge. Perfect for your nail business. Yeah. And also, we've got our white ceramic dampened dish. Currently, we've got a black one, but now we've got a white one. They're awesome. They're awesome. Yeah. This one is absolutely insane. You guessed it, our insane bundle. July's insane bundle. Check this out. 500 pack coffin full cover tips. 500 pack stiletto full cover tips. Our single finger LED light. Our rechargeable e-file pen. And our OG fiber gel in a bottle. Normal price is $130, but you're gonna get this bundle for $49.95. If you've wanted to get into fiber gel with the light and the e-file pen and the tips, this is the time to do it. $49.95, crazy deal. And don't forget, we're relaunching our 12-piece Confettis. These were so popular last time when we sold them all out. You guys asked us to bring it back. So we're bringing it back. Do not miss on the 12-piece Confetti. Young Nails July sale starts July 23rd at 6 p.m. Pacific and goes all the way to Friday, July 28th, 11:59 p.m. We have so many new products launching. This is insane. Do not miss this sale. And always, just do me this favor, would you? Remember this.
I don't want to.
It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. Young nails. Young nails.